Jordon Garrick is a 22-year-old professional footballer who plays as a winger for Swansea City. Born in Jamaica, he moved to England as a child where he began playing football and eventually joined Osset Albion. After being encouraged by his coaches to attend a trial with Premier League side Swansea City, the 2-week trial proved successful and he signed a 2-year deal with the Welsh side. He was initially assigned to the club's academy and the under-21 development side and made his professional debut 4 years later as a substitute in a 3-1 victory over Nottingham Town in the first round of the EFL Cup in August of 2019. So far, he has made 19 appearances, scoring 3 goals and getting 3 assists. On the 1st of February 2021, Garrick joined League One side Swindon Town on a loan for the remainder of the 2020-2021 season. He featured in 19 games, scoring 2 goals and creating 2 assists.